Introducing IntelliControl, because intelligence empowers. It is equipped with the most modern and very informative best-in-class 7-inch color display, which has multiple features, giving more output, more information in a single view, and ease of use. The hydraulic lock status makes it easy to check the hydraulic lock while starting the machine. You get fuel alerts that provide you information about the fuel left in the tank that helps in better work planning. The auto idle status alerts the operator about the auto idle switch, resulting in higher fuel efficiency. With the swing lock status, it is easy to ensure the swing lock while working in confined areas for more safety. Dial type throttle for fuel saving. Eco, Power, and Power Plus modes can be set at different RPMs. It becomes more adaptable for different types of jobs. The warning alerts comes with color-coded alerts with symbols and text, and a trip meter that helps in proper machine management. You can easily monitor your machine status, which results in better maintenance planning and less breakdown. The GPS information helps you know the location of the machine. The IntelliControl gives you a complete view of entire operations so that you can optimize your machine's performance as well as health. JCB, always looking for a better way.